So this says you wish to test the following claim about the mu population mean. First thing, the null hypothesis is that the mean is equal to 78.9, and that the alternative would be that it's greater than that with a significance level of 0.10. So the first thing you should notice is that it says we do not know the standard deviation. We do not know sigma. So when sigma is unknown, we know it's going to be a t-test. Okay, so then the next step is to take all this data and I'm going to put it into my stat list. So I'm going to hit stat, edit. If there's stuff in there, go up to the actual L and hit clear, then enter. So I'm going to pause the video and put all of this data into L1. Even though it's arranged in a table like this, it's all just going to go into L1. So I'll pause this and then restart it once it's all entered. Okay, that was a pain in the butt. Here's all the data. Okay, so there's 60 things here. So there's all my data. Now that the data is in the list, you're going to hit stat over to your test menu. And we're doing a t-test since we don't know sigma. If we did know sigma, it would be a z-test. So we'll hit t-test. Now we're not putting in statistics, we're putting in actual data. So I'm going to highlight data at the top. My null mean is 78.9. My data is coming from L1. They all have a frequency of 1. And I'm trying to show that my alternative would prove that the mean is greater than the null. So then we'll hit greater than. So it's going to be a right tail test. We'll hit calculate. And we get the following information. Our test statistic is 2.231. Our p-value is 0.0147. Our alpha value was 0.1. This is less than alpha. So that means we can reject the null since p is less than alpha. So that means that there is sufficient evidence. The sample data supports the claim that the population mean is in fact greater than 78.9.